In every community, there is a place where curiosity begins, where ideas grow, and where knowledge becomes accessible to everyone. And that place is the public library, like the Ilocos Norte Provincial Library. But libraries today are no longer just houses for books. They have evolved into something much greater. They are now centers of learning, innovation, and community empowerment. And the heart of it all is the librarian, who is guiding, supporting, and inspiring every user.
In a world where information is only a click away and where everyone is flooded by overwhelming amounts of data every day, there is a librarian who comes in to guide users, leading them to credible sources of information.
Usually sa online na ako kumuha ng resources na gamit ang RRL o related literature or sa mga school work, especially sa Google. But one thing na pumunta ako sa library introduced me the free online resources, databases na relevant to me. I'm so happy kasi may safe and credible na nakukuha kong information. Hindi lamang ang e-resources ang nakukuha ko, kundi ang written books.
Libraries today don't just provide books, they also provide spaces. Spaces for learning, for creativity, and even for relaxation. They are made for everyone, for people of all ages and walks of life. From quiet study areas to collaborative zones to multimedia and presentation spaces, everything is designed to support the needs of every user. Because when people feel that they are heard, they feel welcome and keep coming back.
Actually, sobrang laki ng naitutulong ng library sa akin. Hindi lang siya library lang. It serves as my safe and comfortable space. Especially pag nagre-review ako, mas nakakapag-focus ako dahil sa calm environment at dahil din sa library ito, especially nung first year ako, nakakapag-advanced reading ako and nakatulong ito dahil mas madami akong impormasyon na kuha dito at mas napalawak yung pagkaalaman ko para sa paghahanda ko ng first year. And dahil dito, nakakapag-review ako ng maayos at minsan dito din ako nakakatanga sa ingay at stress sa pang-araw-araw ng buhay ko.
Library provides everything that we need from books, free Wi-Fi, free use of TV to practice mock defense, to comfortable spaces. And ang ganda lang na mayroong ganitong facility na pwede namin puntahan anytime. Hindi na namin kailangan pumunta pa sa labas just to have space for doing our academic tasks. Parang all-in-one na ang library, libre pa.
Sobrang gusto ko sa library, lalo na kapag overwhelmed ako sa school. Safe space ko siya, and I love reading fiction here. Dito na rin ako gumagawa ng assignments kasi mas focus ako.
But the essence of libraries and librarians goes beyond the four corners of the building. Sometimes, the library travels to the community. Through outreach programs, pop-up libraries, summer reading programs, and learning hubs, knowledge is brought closer to the people.
I would like to express my sincere appreciation to the Provincial Library for organizing this summer reading program. I am very grateful that my children will be part of it. I believe it will be a fantastic opportunity for them to focus on their education and enjoy learning away from their screens. Thank you for providing such a meaningful program for the youth.
I never expected that this place was meant for everyone other than for reading. When I first entered here, I never thought that reading was just something we usually talk about or, of course, read it out myself. But genuinely speaking, I remember the time when I first came here. It wasn't the experience that I thought of because we were told to ask permission for the things we wanted. But the staff here who work on the services are incredibly friendly with requests from the people who visit here.
Itong extension facility ng Provincial Library na Capital Learning Hub and Books Zone is napakaganda din. Bukod sa open ito sa public, lahat din ay pwedeng pumunta at magbasa ng iba't ibang aklat at magazine, which is nakakatulong na mahasa pa ang kaalaman ng bawat users.
From physical spaces to digital innovations, the Ilocos Norte Provincial Library is now a hybrid library, a place where the traditional and modern way of searching information and learning meet. It serves as an alternative to school, academic, and even special libraries. It is no longer just a place to read, it is a place to learn and grow.
Through relevant programs, outreach activities, and innovations, libraries continue to evolve, adapting to the needs of a rapidly changing world. And in this digital age, their rules have never been more important because beyond books, beyond walls, libraries build communities, and librarians help shape the future of the nation.
Moreover, we at the Ilocos Norte Provincial Library are thankful for the unwavering support of our beloved Governor, Cecilia Araneta Marcos, and Vice Governor, Matthew Joseph Marcos Manotoc, for without them, all the accomplishments and improvements of the Ilocos Norte Provincial Library would not have been realized.